Hi, Rizwana A.Mundewadi here. Welcome to Raz Arts. The Reiki in this video is for improving appetite in your pet birds. If your pet bird is showing signs of little bit low times or is not interested in eating, looks bored, you can play the video. This will activate the yellow chakra and they will show improved appetite. Hope this helps your pet birds. Thank you for coming by Raz Arts. This is my pet alexandrine parakeet who lived with us for many years free. She would come in my garden and have her treats. Highly intelligent and very active. She must be somewhere. And I pray for her well-being. For more on pet birds and Reiki healing for your birds, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming by. Rizwana A.Mundewadi wishing you all the best. Bye-bye. Take care.